If you're using a neutron probe, you're taking sporadic readings down through the profile at a number of depths. And I'm going to show you how you can use a set of those readings as field capacity values. Of course, you would have some reason to believe why that particular set of readings represents the full model. For instance, you were digging in the soil, went through the profile, evaluated it, and came to the conclusion that this profile is right at field capacity. We often find this situation in the spring. If we had a good winter rain, the excess is drained out and the profile is just perfectly full. So we're going to make an example out of this. So we're looking at combined graphs. We got here by going to graphs on the blue menu, then combine, and we get these set of pictures. And I have selected specific ones to get there. Right below the graphs, there is a option box. It says click here for graph options, and we have a variety of options here. There's a drop down to go to specific graphs. We have turned on the root zone moisture graph, depth graph, probe readings, and electronic probe model, which happens to be a DACOM probe. So looking at the values, I'm investigating my neutron probe readings, and if I come to the conclusion that right on this date, December 23rd, this profile was perfectly full top to bottom. I'm going to show you how you can select that as a set of full values. So we're going to come down here into the options. The very last icon says probe readings to full. Click on that. We're busy with this particular block. Select it, continue, and then right in here it asks us which date we want to use. Click that open, showing us all the probe readings that we have. And I'm rolling back to December. It's actually 24th, not 23rd. Click on that. It brings the set of values that we're going to be using, and it shows you the current FCAP and what the new FCAP is going to be. So I am going to enter a value here where we do not have probe readings, and I'm just estimating it from the ones around it. So now I have a full set of readings all the way down, and because I said they're full, the observed deficit from full remains at 0. So at the bottom of the screen, if I click the Save button, the system will take these new readings, insert them as field capacity readings, and go ahead and do a recalculation. So because we have quite a lot of data here, it's going back quite a distance. It's going to take a while to finish this calculation. I'll refresh these two graphs, and now you can see that these values have been used as field capacity. That is the dot right there, and we're right on the full line. That would have affected everything else around it, and you can see this one effectively comes to a lower level than what we had it in the past.